Well, good afternoon, viewers. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.7.2. Wow, that's a mouthful. Software stack. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm. And I greatly appreciate it. Actually, no, we greatly appreciate it. Let's be honest here.
We'll say there are a lot of positives to this version. Still some things to be fixed, but that is why we label it beta.
Beta, and it's more about the aerial perspective and getting to see what the car sees at the same time, and making it easy for our viewers to go frame by frame and get a neat aerial perspective of some fun neighborhoods.
It's a bright sun.
That's a hell of a sun.
But see, that is a nice thing about having full self-driving. I don't worry about being blinded.
You know, the cameras do really well.
Getting ready for the climb. It's the climb. I'm just gonna rest my hands on it. If that's
Yeah.
Sometimes you're like, hands off.
No, it keeps the nag
Yeah.
off the UI. Then you don't get that weird like flashing warning when you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because let's be honest, I actually do these videos solely for the time lapse. I don't like watching the unedited videos. I know some people do.
Saw the trash can. Yay! I remember when that changed, when the first time I saw trash cans and how excited we were. And I remember we drove around on trash. Sorry.
What happened?
It
got really squirrely there. It
yeah.
Hasn't done that in a while.
But anyways, I remember, I'm not quite sure what it was doing. But I remember it jerked it, by the way. I did not jerk it.
No, I know.
But anyways, I remember the day, when we found out it was supposed to register trash cans, when we drove out on trash day to try around the neighborhood to see if we could actually see, does it actually register all the trash cans?
I remember having to take our Model 3 in because it didn't have the upgraded computer.
Yep. But yeah, I remember the trash cans. How excited we were.
You'll need to delete the pin, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Just trying to help you out.
Nope, I appreciate it. I get so focused. Yep, we're good. See, that's nice having a co-pilot, because you call out, or I call out power lines. You call out delete. Wow, this is a gorgeous perspective of the valley with the clouds and the fall weather.
Right, here, I'm gonna cheat this a little bit.
You want me to slow down a little bit?
No, I'm gonna play it more about the view than than our full self-drive.
No, this is beautiful. You've got the clouds, like dark clouds over there.
Let's tilt up so you guys can enjoy the perspective of today.
I remember when that was a road and you were running Uber Eats and it told you to go that way.
Oh, I know. It was never paved. It wasn't paved for a long time.
And we drove up, we were like, well, that isn't going to work.
Right. Well, how's that supposed to work?
But that's the interesting thing about that software, was it was telling us that's going to be a road, right? It just hadn't been paved yet. Yeah, it looks like it's going to take us down Riata instead of all the back roads, just so you know.
Sounds good.
Here's the infamous deep gravel. intersection.
Oh, the one where we make that left and yeah,
the right or left.
Oh,
yeah,
actually,
the right.
Yeah, the right.
Yeah. Or like right here. Like, that's not too bad. I'm gonna let it happen, but
That one wasn't too bad, yeah.
no.
But it does make it bumpy in a sense that, like, I almost wonder, like, what V12 will do if it'll ride a little bit more towards the left, considering that, like, there's no cars oncoming, and it would add to the overall comfort.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because you're not running on the shoulder.
Yeah.
Wiper blades are deciding to run. Okay, is it gonna give way just a little bit? Nope.
God, zero fucks. We've talked it like you didn't even break the line.
I'm curious what that looks like from the side.
Yeah. No, that's what I think. It didn't even break the line.
I'm doing what you do sometimes in your live spaces, waving my hands around corners and stuff to make it seem like I'm not doing it.
Right.
Alright, coming up on our left up here. And then I think that's a 40, so if I go too fast, just let me know.
Oh, no, you're fine. Remember, I got that tailwind with the tailwind with me once we make that turn.
Just don't have to worry about the gravel on this one, because that is now deep gravel.
Yeah, no kidding.
Alright, there's a car coming to our left.
God, these trees look gorgeous.
I give it a little bit of a love tap. Alright, it's going 26. There we go, now it's got the speed.
God, these trees look gorgeous.
Isn't this a pretty area?
Yeah.
It's okay speed?
Oh, yeah, you're fine. I got stick left. Throttle left.
Puppies. Some dogs are definitely not farm dogs, and then some dogs are definitely farm dogs.
Oh, for sure.
Bailey was a farm dog, I think, in her past life.
Yeah.
Maddie, not so much. I heard someone at work today singing Christmas carols.
Couple of weeks too early for that, but I'll give it to you starting in November.
I was like, are you looking forward to the break?
A couple of weeks too early for that, but I'll give it to you.
I just thought more that they were looking forward to the break.
Right?
Hey, there's a train. We're going to be stopped for the train.
Ooh.
Because that looks like it's still going to be going by the time we get up there.
Right.
Slowing for the human. Hey, at least it recognizes there's a human. I'm going to act accordingly. Got all these power lines?
Yep.
Hopefully you have enough battery for the train.
Oh, I'm 58, so yeah, should be alright.
Because we only have a 0.2 after the train leaves. But I don't know how long the train's going to take. At least it's moving faster than the Richland one.
Yeah, it's a pretty quick one. It might even finish by the time we get there, to be honest with you. Just judging by how fast it's moving. It will make for some fun footage, though.
That is true.
If I tilt up and include it. There we go.
This means the roundabout's going to be a little back. Oh yeah, there's the end of the trains. Perfect. Alright. to give context, this is the least successful roundabout
that we have
in this area.
So that's why we're trying to film it as much as we can so that it can get fixed.
Sorry.
What happened?
Oh, I guess I didn't realize there were 2 lanes. My bad. Human error.
Doggone Sci-Fi disengages a little bit more than I do when I drive.
Sometimes I think it's because I have a harder time because of how low this car is. Seen.
Sometimes it's just an on-camera thing too, and that's okay.
I do get nervous.
So
I want to perform well. All right, so we've picked the correct lane, right? So we're in the right lane.
It needs to stay here.
Yes, it needs to stay in this lane. And I don't see it trying to jump over yet. If it starts trying to jump over, yes, I'm going to disengage.
Oh yeah, no, you need to stay in this lane.
For some reason, I thought that was a single lane turn from that. Back there at that stop sign. Human error. But so far, better drive.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Excellent. Wants to stop here because it doesn't want to stop on the tracks. I'm okay with that. There we go. I appreciate that. It did not want to stop on the tracks. Okay, it shows staying in this lane, so stay in this lane.
Signaling left. Okay, here we go.
Signaling left.
I wonder if it's because it has a guide car this time around. Okay, here we go. So a little throttle probably through it?
Yep. Throttle to get us going.
Yeah.
Throttle to maintain.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Throttle to maintain. Are we gonna do it?
Yeah, it actually did.
Hey! Good job!
I'm curious if it's because it had some follow vehicles.
No, but it's had follow vehicles, I think, in the other ones that we've done. That would be worth going back and looking.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah.
At any rate, hey, success on that one.
I may have screwed up and disengaged when I shouldn't have, but that was a good drive.
Yeah, no.
Celebrate. It too wanted a good performance for the camera.
Well, if you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it. I'm Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. This has been another full self-drive 11.4.7.2 aerial perspective video. Thanks for tuning in.
And if your fans don't celebrate my achievement of trusting the system,
yeah, no kidding,
I will be sad. Okay, we're gonna stop all the way back here, and we're gonna go. Is it how I would do it? No. But is it successful? Does it see the human? We're trusting. Yes, it sees the human. Excellent. Excellent. Making the turn all by its little bitty self. All right, and then it's gonna get confused here, so we're just gonna take over.
Maybe it'll take over and play. Sweet.
I let it try for the human and everything, honey. Look at me go. What do we say? Honey, look at you go.
I know, well done.